is Deborah with the Aroma Delight Beauty Care product. If I look pretty wet today, it's because I am very wet. This is my first farmer's market day, and I'm soaking wet. Everything's wet. My shoes are soaking wet. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just wet all over today. Now, if you think that's something, wait till you see my tan. Oh my goodness. Well, the wind took it down. I was trying to get set up, and the wind just took it down. I had a lot of neat things for Mother's Day, but I don't know now. What do I say? This is a life in a day at the farmer's market. This is what happens at the farmer's market. You never know what you're going to get. You never know what the day is going to be like. I mean, all last week was such a nice day, and I thought, oh, Mother's Day week is going to be awesome. Well, there's a lot of people here. Some vendors got theirs lowered. Mine got broke, and as you can see, the top came off. This is my second tent. Oh my goodness. I need to be a millionaire to do this. If I was a millionaire, I probably wouldn't do a farmer's market. But this is all my goodies here. All my bath bombs and everything is just really have taken a dive today. But there's a lot of people trying to come out anyway, but I don't imagine I'm going to be opening up anything until a customer wants to see something. I'm not sure if I'm going to have any sales at all today. I had some roses and stuff for the mothers. Had lots of little goodies and treats and roses and things like that for the mothers today. But I'm not feeling it today at all. I'm really sad. There's another my second one. They're not cheap. The first one was like something dollars, and then this is like $180. Oh my goodness, this is just a disaster. But you know, this is what happened at the farmer's market. Started off a good day today, but ended like this. So nobody's leaving, so I'll probably just wait to see if it's gonna go away. I'm already soaking wet. Thank God my products didn't get wet. Got some pretty nice bath bombs here. Yeah, I got some pretty nice products here. Got all kind of little bath bombs and things. Oh boy. I can't do nothing but laugh today because it's like, oh Lord, what is happening here? You know, I've been doing this farmer's market. This is going into my 4th year. And we've had all kind of weather here in Iowa. But today, a big drop just fell on me. Oh boy. Well, I think I've cried enough today, but I just want to share with you the life in a day at Aroma Delight Beauty Care Products at the farmer's market. All right, thank you, and have an awesome and blessed day. Bye now. I'm back. Well, it stopped raining and the wind stopped blowing. My tent's cracked. It's a little broke, but I managed to do some type of makeshift setup here. So I am somewhat set up, and I have had some sales. But oh boy, it's been quite a day. As you can see, I am wet. My hair is wet. I don't know if you can see my shoes are wet. I'm soaked and wet today. But it's still a good day. I'm blessed to be here. So there's a lot of us out here. They stayed through the wind, the rain. I think my tent's the only one that really got beat up. I don't know, one side just wasn't down enough or whatever, but it was just really bad. But it's still a lot of people here today. Like I said, this is our first farmer's market for Winston, Iowa here. And I love it. I love coming here because this is John Wayne's birth town. And so we get a lot of tours. But today is kind of an interesting day, so we shall see what today holds. So, don't really have anything fantastic I want to show you other than I just have products here. But I just wanted to show you what happens at the farmer's market. You just never know what's going to happen. Life in the day at the farmer's market. I can see my sign has fell down, so it'll be nice to put my sign back up. So there we go. Okay, just wanted to share with you what's going on with the Roma Delight, a life in the day at the farmer's market. Thank you and have an awesome day. Bye now. Oh, my focus was way off. Oh my goodness. You're probably like blind from me jagging the camera all over the place. Alright, thanks a lot. Check my website out, www.Aroma Delight Beauty Care Products. You can find us on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you and have an awesome day. Bye now.